Good morning, buenos días, muchísimas gracias por estar con nosotros. Welcome back to Domingo Live. If you're just tuning in, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Now, we're just around the corner for something very special, very important that all parents and families are getting prepared for. Back to school right around the corner. And I know that we love to tell you how much help this community is giving everybody that they can with all the health fairs and all of the free giveaways. And that's what we're doing right now.
Absolutely.
It's a very important organization, the lead organization. It is called Happy Health Back to School Health Fair. And we have Guy Nicholson, the CEO of Lead First.
Well,
and we welcome to Domingo Live. And you brought somebody with you?
Yes, Vanessa Salazar with Driscoll.
Oh, welcome to Domingo Live. And I see that you brought props. That's what we love. This is
Yes.
some of the giveaways that you're going to be giving away.
These are the giveaways that we're going to have at the event Saturday.
This Saturday, coming
July
up.
the 29th.
All right, you got to put it on your calendar.
You got to put it on your calendar. You got to be there from 9 to 1 o'clock.
So, Guy, I know that with inflation, a lot of families are struggling. What are you hearing? What are you hearing from parents and families that they need the most at this time?
You know, at this time, you know, it's a great thing that the school district said, okay, we need to go to clear backpack, but you know, with the income level of families that we deal with, anything that we're going to require 3 or 4 kids in that family to get new backpacks,
Yes.
Supplies is going to cause a strain on those families. And so we're here along with Driscoll Health Plan and Driscoll Hospital to say we're here to make a difference. We want to help those families that are struggling right now, and it makes all the difference in the world. People just don't realize how just one backpack can impact a whole family in terms of financial situation. But if you got 3 or 4 kids, imagine what they can do to help those parents come that first day of school.
Absolutely.
And so,
right.
And we're talking about backpacks that are changing the way we normally send our kids off to school.
Absolutely.
I mean, it used to be just a regular backpack, that's it, you fill it up.
Yeah.
But these actually will have supplies in them as well.
And some wonderful snacks that'll be in those.
Very nice.
But again, going to the clear backpack is about security, to make sure that everyone is safe, make sure that they have an environment of learning and not worrying about who's going to walk through that door and maybe harm that child. So.
Sure.
We want all the kids to feel safe and secure and, of course, prepared for the first day of school. There's nothing like a child feeling prepared and excited and ready to go to school on their first day of school. So thank you so much for doing this. And I know that to do something like this, it takes so many people's help, a lot of your sponsors. So I know that you've teamed up and you're going to have health screenings, you can have physicals, you can have all these things. You can tell us about that
Ms.
for the
Vanessa
kids.
is going to share that
Vanessa,
with you.
share that with us.
So we're super excited to be able to partner with Lead First. We know that a lot of our families may be struggling financially, and so that is why we want to be able to provide them with this extra support and the backpacks, school supplies. We will also be having shoe vouchers. We will also be having the food bank will be bringing food bags, health screenings. We'll have sports physicals for the students. We just want them to be academically and physically prepared. Que más que estén listos y exitosos para
Para el primer día de escuela.
Exactamente.
Hay que ayudar a nuestros niños y a nuestras familias, ¿verdad?
So,
que sí?
espero que nos acompañen. Invitamos a la comunidad, a los estudiantes que estén aquí sábado, julio 29, en la escuela de Roy Miller, de las 9 de la mañana a las 1 p.m. Estamos muy emocionados de poder tener esta oportunidad para la comunidad y para nuestros estudiantes de Corpus Christi y también las áreas que nos acompañan también.
Porque todos están invitados. Este es un evento que es gratis el día 29 de julio. Everybody's invited.
Right.
How soon do doors open and how many people are you preparing for?
We, at this particular time, we got over 2,000 backpacks that we're going to be willing to give out. We have close to 600-700 pair of shoes, vouchers that we're going to give out. And the neat thing is that if you get there at 9 o'clock, you might be late. So to try to get there as early as possible, so that you can get there and be the first one. It's going to be first come, first serve. Again, we want to take care of hopefully everyone that show up, but it's the first come, first serve, and it's open to the community as a whole. So again, imagine that little child on that first day of school.
Sure.
Have those new shoes on, have that backpack full of supplies, and she say, hey, I can be like all the other kids.
Absolutely.
Because somebody thought enough of us, somebody cared enough.
Yes, and the best thing it's peace of mind for the parents knowing
That's
this
right.
is one less thing they
They
have
have to worry
worry
about it.
about.
That's right.
You know, I even take it back the night before, because I remember the night before the first day of school, I couldn't go to sleep because I was so excited. I would take my stuff out, I would put it back in, I'd take my stuff out, I'd put it back in, you know? And it's that excitement you want that child to have that every single day, not just the first day, but every single day.
And the neat thing about the supplies is that they're geared towards the appropriate age group. You know, we have K through 2, we have 3 through 5, and 6 through 10. So when the kid come, we just not handing them. It's laid out specifically that whatever age that kid is, that's the backpack and school supplies that child gonna
So
get.
thoughtful.
So it's
Yeah.
that's not stuffing a whole bunch of
This is well
supplies
thought
in there.
out.
Well
It's
thought
well thought out, and so that way that parent don't have to say, what else do I need to go get for my child? It's all
It's
in
all
there.
there.
Again,
And so
happening.
again, you know, we couldn't do this without our sponsors,
That's
of
right.
course, Driscoll Hospital, Driscoll Health Plan,
Yeah.
Whataburger, Citco, Reliant Energy, and
Wonderful.
Pepsi
Community
Cola,
sponsors.
community sponsor, and that's what, it does take a village
It does.
Yes.
to raise a child.
That's
Guy,
right.
you said it right. Guy, Vanessa, thank you so much. We wish you all the very best with Happy Health Back to School Health Fair happening July 29th. That's next Saturday over at Miller High School right here in Corpus Christi. Everyone in South
Yes.
Texas is watching, invited to come by. It's 2,000 backpacks. We hope you take advantage of it, and it helps you out at
That's
home
right.
for sure. Thank you both.
And thank y'all for
you.
having us
you.
on the
Of
show this
course.
morning.
Thank you for being here.
We'll be right back with more Domingo Live. Más música, más entrevistas after this. Stick around, please.